Welcome to the Corner for Story Listeners channel. When you need companionship, come to this little corner and let me tell you a story. Story 1. The Melody in the Magical Book. In a charming town, there lived a little girl named Lily who loved music more than anything else. One day, while exploring the dusty shelves of the old town library, Lily discovered a mysterious book with a golden cover. Intrigued, she opened it, and to her surprise, musical notes danced out of the pages, filling the room with a magical melody. The book, known as the Melody Tome, had the power to bring music to life. Each page contained a different enchanted song, and as Lily turned the pages, she found herself surrounded by a world of whimsical tunes. One day, Lily decided to share the joy of the Melody Tome with her friends in the town. As she played the magical tunes, the notes transformed into colorful shapes, creating a magical dance in the air. The children giggled and twirled, feeling the enchantment of the music. One particular song, the Starlight Sonata, had a special magic. It summoned a constellation of glowing fireflies that lit up the night sky. Lily and her friends danced beneath the twinkling stars, creating a spectacle that filled their hearts with joy. However, one evening, as Lily was playing the Melody Tome, a mischievous shadow named Mirk appeared. Mirk tried to steal the magical book, wanting its powers for himself. Lily, with courage in her heart, stood her ground and played the most uplifting melody from the book. The Melody Tome responded with a burst of light, banishing Mirk and his shadowy schemes. The magical tunes became even more vibrant, and the town was filled with the sweet sounds of happiness. From that day forward, Lily and her friends continued to explore the wonders of the Melody Tome. The enchanted book became a source of joy for the entire town, bringing people together through the magic of music. Story 2. The Hidden Harmony. In a quaint village, there existed a magical garden unknown to most. One day, a curious girl named Jane discovered a hidden entrance behind a tangle of vines. As she stepped through, she found herself in the secret garden, a place filled with blooming flowers and enchanting melodies. In the heart of the garden stood a small, mysterious music box. When Jane gently turned its delicate key, a soft melody filled the air. To her amazement, the flowers swayed and danced to the rhythm, creating a mesmerizing display. Jane visited the secret garden every day, exploring its wonders and enjoying the harmonious dance of the flowers. One day, she noticed a sad-looking rabbit named Whiskers. Jane played the music box, and the magical melody lifted Whiskers' spirits, turning its frown into a joyful hop. As Jane continued to visit the garden, she met more animal friends, each with their own unique dance to the music. There was Lulu the butterfly, who fluttered gracefully, and Stripey the the squirrel, who twirled with delight. However, one day, a mischievous crow named Shadow stole the music box and hid it in the tallest tree. The once harmonious garden fell silent, and the flowers drooped with sadness. Determined to bring back the music, Jane embarked on a quest with her animal friends. They faced challenges, crossed babbling brooks, and climbed the towering tree. With teamwork and determination, they reached the top and found the music box. As Jane turned the key, the magical melody echoed through the garden once more. The flowers bloomed brighter than ever, and the animals danced with renewed joy. Jane realized that the true magic of the secret garden was the harmony created by sharing music with friends. From that day forward, Jane and her animal friends gathered in the secret garden, playing the music box and reveling in the joyous dance of flowers. The garden became a magical haven where friendship and music blossomed in perfect harmony. Story 3: Leo's Brave Adventure. In a lush savanna, there lived a lion cub named Leo, who was known for his curious spirit. Leo loved exploring the tall grass and playing with his friends, but he was afraid of the dark caves beyond the rocky hills. One day, Leo overheard the elder animals talking about a magical waterfall that sparkled with courage. Intrigued by the idea of becoming brave, Leo decided to embark on an adventure to find the enchanted waterfall. Leo's journey took him through the swaying grasslands and over babbling brooks. Along the way, he met a wise old tortoise named Shellington, who had traversed many lands. Shellington sensed Leo's fear and offered him a piece of advice. Bravery is not the absence of fear, young Leo. It's about facing your fears with a courageous heart, said Shellington, his wise eyes twinkling. Encouraged by Shellington's wisdom, Leo continued his quest. As he approached the rocky hills, he heard a distant roar. It was the legendary guardian lion, a wise and majestic creature known for instilling courage in those who sought it. The guardian lion sensed Leo's apprehension and spoke kindly. "Little one, true courage comes from within. Face your fears, and you will find the bravery you seek." With newfound determination, Leo entered the dark caves. The once daunting shadows transformed into friendly shapes, and Leo felt a warm glow within him. He discovered the magical waterfall, and as its sparkling waters touched him, Leo felt an incredible surge of courage. From that day forward, Leo became the bravest lion in the savannah. He no longer feared the dark caves, and instead explored every corner with confidence. Leo's courage inspired his friends, and soon they joined him in exploring the wonders beyond the rocky hills. Leo's brave adventure taught the animals of the savannah that courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The enchanted waterfall continued to sparkle, a symbol of the courage that blossomed within each brave heart. Story 4: The Amazing Adventure of Stella and the Magic Microscope. In a vibrant town, there lived a curious little girl named Stella. Stella had a passion for exploring the wonders of the world around her. One day, she received a magical gift from her grandmother, a tiny, sparkling microscope. With her newfound treasure in hand, Stella embarked on a scientific exploration in her backyard. She marveled at the intricate details of a flower's petals and the tiny ants marching along a garden path. The magic microscope revealed a whole new world that fascinated Stella. As she continued her exploration, Stella encountered a friendly butterfly named Flutter. Intrigued by Stella's magical microscope, Flutter decided to join her on the scientific adventure. Together, they ventured into the lush forest behind Stella's house. Deep in the forest, they discovered a sparkling pond filled with shimmering water. Stella used her magic microscope to observe the water closely and found tiny, glowing organisms swimming beneath the surface. The two friends giggled with excitement at the magical world revealed by science. Their scientific journey took them to a towering tree where they met Professor Owl, a wise old owl with a love for knowledge. Professor Owl shared fascinating facts about the stars and planets, and Stella was amazed by the wonders of the universe. With Professor Owl as their guide, Stella and Flutter traveled to the night sky. Using her magic microscope, Stella discovered that each star was a unique and dazzling world of its own. The scientific exploration expanded their understanding of the vast cosmos. As the sun began to set, Stella and Flutter returned home, their hearts filled with wonder and awe. Stella realized that the magic microscope, combined with curiosity and friendship, could unlock the secrets of the world. From that day forward, Stella and Flutter continued their scientific explorations, uncovering the mysteries of nature and the universe. The magic microscope became a tool for endless discovery, and the duo's adventures inspired other children to embrace the wonders of scientific exploration. Story 5: A Journey to the Enchanted Sky. In a town surrounded by rolling hills, there lived a little girl named Mia with a heart full of dreams. One night, as she gazed out of her window, she noticed a shimmering light in the sky. It was a magical portal to a world of fantasy and wonder. With the spark of curiosity in her eyes, Mia decided to embark on a journey through the enchanted sky. As she stepped through the portal, she found herself in a land where clouds were made of cotton candy, and colorful, hot air balloons floated gracefully overhead. Mia met a friendly talking rabbit named Whiskers, who invited her to join him on a balloon adventure. Together, they They soared through the sky, passing by candy-colored mountains and sliding down rainbow slides. Laughter echoed in the air as they twirled and danced on the fluffy clouds. As they continued their journey, Mia and Whiskers encountered a wise old owl named Oliver, perched on a magical tree. Oliver shared stories of the fantasy world, where dreams came to life and every wish was granted. Intrigued, Mia closed her eyes and made a wish. To her delight, a magical carousel appeared, adorned with sparkling lights and whimsical creatures. Mia hopped on a shimmering unicorn and giggled with joy as the carousel spun, taking her on a magical ride. The fantasy world was filled with surprises, candy cane forests, jelly bean rivers, and fields of glowing fireflies. Mia and Whiskers explored the wonders, meeting friendly creatures like talking flowers and playful butterflies. As the sun began to set, Mia knew it was time to return home. With a grateful heart, she thanked her newfound friends and stepped back through the magical portal. The enchanted sky closed behind her, leaving Mia with memories of a magical adventure in the fantasy world.